the Permanent Secretary for Agriculture and Waterways, senior government officials, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambolo Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. It is an honor to be here today to officiate at the opening of the Waibogi Piggery here in Sigatoka. This is not just a celebration of a new business venture, it is a celebration of vision, resilience, and the spirit of partnership that drives Fiji's agricultural sector forward. Let me begin by extending my heartfelt gratitude to all those who have contributed to the realization of this project. My sincere congratulations to Mr. Ritesh and Mr. Ronald Sharma for their dedication and significant investment in this venture. Waibogi Piggery stands as an example of what can be achieved when the private sector and the government work hand in hand towards a common goal. Ladies and gentlemen, the pig industry is one of the cornerstones of Fiji's agricultural sector. It is a vital industry that contributes significantly to our economy, food security and rural livelihoods. Today, Fiji has 4,160 pig farms, comprising of 3,923 smallholder farms, 186 semi-commercial farms, and 51 commercial farms. This diverse network has enabled us to achieve an impressive 92% self-sufficiency in pork production, a milestone that we can all be proud of. In 2024, a total of 11,833 pigs were slaughtered, resulting in the production of 717 tons of meat. This marks the largest quantity of pigs processed and the second highest volume of meat produced at the Fiji Meat Industry Board slaughterhouses. Moreover, Fiji has successfully expanded its reach into regional markets. Last year, 1,179 tons of pork were produced both through formal and informal sectors, contributing $11 million to the local economy, with $0.2 million worth of pork exported to neighboring countries. This is a testament to the quality and potential of Fijian pork. Ladies and gentlemen, it is important to recognize that pigs are not just livestock in Fiji. They are deeply embedded in our culture and traditions. Pigs hold a sacred place in our ceremonies, social gatherings, and community life. From traditional events like weddings and funerals to community fundraisers, soli, and Angona ceremonies, pigs are a symbol of respect, generosity, and unity. Amongst almost all pigs used in these functions are raised at the subsistence level, showcasing the deep connection between our people and this industry. While this system has met local demand, we must also prepare for the future. As our population grows and traditions evolve, the demand for pigs will increase. This is not just about economic gain. It is about preserving and honoring a way of life that has been passed down through generations. The industry has not been without its challenges. The COVID-19 pandemic brought unprecedented disruptions to markets, leading to oversupply and financial strain for many farmers. Traditional events and gatherings were halted, and the tourism sector, a key driver of demand, came to a standstill. Yet, in the face of adversity, our farmers demonstrated remarkable resilience. They adapted by exploring new markets, improving biosecurity measures, and finding innovative ways to sustain their operations. Ladies and gentlemen, the government, in collaboration with development partners, provides critical support through financial assistance, training programs, and capacity building initiatives to help farmers recover. Today, with the revival of the tourism industry and increasing domestic demand, the pig industry is on a path to recovery and growth. The future of Fiji's pig industry is filled with promise. There are immense opportunities to explore value-added products, such as processed pork, which can increase profitability and expand market reach. Ladies and gentlemen, pig production has been identified as a key strategy for addressing protein deficits in developing countries, and Fiji is well positioned to lead in this area. We are fortunate that our geographic isolation has protected us from major exotic diseases, such as the African swine fever, which has devastated the pig industries in other parts of the world. This is a testament to the effectiveness of our biosecurity measures, and we must remain vigilant to safeguard this vital sector. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government remains steadfast in its commitment to supporting the pig industry. Over the past 3 years, we have provided $350,000 in assistance for infrastructure development, nutrition, and genetic improvement. Additionally, the Pig Research Unit at the Cornevere Research Station continues to offer improved breeds, artificial insemination services, and supply of wind pigs to farmers. Key stakeholders such as the Fiji Meat Industry Board play a crucial role in regulating and supporting the industry. The Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways is currently reviewing the Meat Act to create more opportunities for farmers and further protect the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, the success of the Waibogi Piggery serves as a testament to the opportunity that can arise from strategic partnerships and investments of this nature. To achieve our goal and self-sufficiency in pork production, we must continue to overcome the challenges and seize the opportunities for growth and development. I am confident that the Waibogi Piggery will make a significant contribution to this goal. To Mr. Ritesh and Mr. Ronald Sharma, I wish you all the best in your farming endeavors. May your success inspire others to invest in Fiji's agriculture sector. In closing, let us remember that the pig industry is not just about numbers or economic gains. It is also about the people, the culture, and the future of our nation. By supporting this industry, we are not only boosting our economy, but also preserving a way of life that defines who we are as Fijians. I take this opportunity to thank everyone who has contributed immensely to the achievement of this project, and thank you for your commitment to the agriculture sector in Fiji. Lastly, my big vinagavaleu to the Vanua, Nakuruvarua. Kena vale leu lo watu, wana tura na kaileu. Na nonda lomasoli, menda mai songoni, ena nonda ndele ni soso. Una valeu na vinanumi, kena yalo vakaturang. Una valeu, and may God bless you all.
Okay.